Realme 2 is gonna be a notch above. Realme 2 will go with the not full screen. And this is the first not full screen smartphone under 10,000 in India. Now, let's have a quick recap over the video of Realme 2.
What Realme 2 is all about. With all these features, with the beautiful design, which is our core philosophy, the big battery, first phone in India with a notch screen under 10K, with a dual camera, triple SIM slots, when it's offering both in power and style, which is both a notch above, how should we price this product as? Just before going to the pricing, well, let's have a small comparison with our friendly competitor who is launched in our nearby country and maybe launching in India soon, hopefully with the same specs. We are way notch above in every single aspect. We guarantee Realme 2 is definitely a notch above product. As you can see, Realme 2 is more like an all-rounder budget-friendly smartphone, wherein Realme 1 will continue to be a performance with a design phone. Secondly, as I said, Realme will be the first phone under 10K to be offering notch screen. How should we price this product as? So, without any guesses, let me take you directly to the variants which my friend Levi said. 3GB, 32GB would be priced at 8,990 rupees. 4GB, 64GB variant would be priced at 10,990 rupees. The first sale will be on 4th of September, exclusively on Flipkart, with two colors, which is diamond black and diamond red. Diamond blue will go on sale in early October. Not only this, but a lot of things are there. A lot of exciting offers. The most important one, we are giving flat 750 rupees cashback on HDFC Bank debit and credit cards. Not only that, we have another partner offer from Jio, which is 4,200 rupees worth of benefits, which can be used in Paytm flights or Lenskart. Last but not the least, no cost EMI, and it goes without saying that it comes along with the phone case and the screen guard in the box itself. So guys, that's all for Realme 2, our latest offering, which is our notch above. Realme 2 will always focus on providing products which is giving you the most affordable technology along with the beauty.